Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again with another video, and guess where I just came from? I just picked up my phones from the Mall of the Emirates Apple Store, and here we have a fun unboxing that I'm gonna do for you guys. So I was able to pick up both of the iPhone 14 Pros. We have the regular iPhone 14, and we also have the 14 Pro Max, which I'm gonna be unboxing. Just doing a quick video and just a quick first impression of both of these phones. Now, the variant that we have today for the regular iPhone 14 Pro is the 128 gig version. This comes at 4,299 dirhams. The Pro Max version, we have 256 gigs with it today, and this one comes at 5,099 dirhams. All right, so doing a quick unboxing for both of them. Just quickly taking a look at the box. We have now white boxes this time instead of the black that we've been getting for the 12 and the 13 boxes. So doesn't really signify anything, but we have white boxes now, and the same thin profile, which tell you that we are not going to be getting anything extra, no chargers, no headphones in the box. All right, wow. And we have the deep purple color because obviously, I mean, what other color would you go with? This is the special edition color, you can say, or the replacement to the Sierra Blue. So Apple has had a trend for the past couple of years where they are introducing a specific color or a new color alongside the regular space gray, white, and gold. So we have this very deep purple, which looks really good in person. I wasn't really able to tell on camera what it looked like or in other videos. All right, so looking at the 14 Pro, we're gonna take off this sticker and we're gonna go ahead and turn on the phone. And immediately you can tell that obviously there's no notch because this year we have the introduction of the dynamic island. And I was a little bit excited to see what that looked like under lighting because it's currently being kind of illuminated or animated, whatever you want to call it. And I wanted actually to do something. I just want to flash my light at it and see what it looks like, you know, close up without any display on, because I'm curious to see how they managed to actually put in the mechanism of the dynamic island. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm going to try and show you. Yeah, can you guys see that? So you can kind of see the internals of the dynamic island, which I wanted to see in person. Yeah, so there's the front camera, and you can also see the Face ID infrared sensors that are right next to it. One moment, let me see if it does something. Oh yeah, there we go. The back cameras here are a big improvement this time. They are a 48 megapixel camera here on the Pros. I'm going to go ahead and just look at the 14 Pro Max as well and just kind of compare sizes. Okay. So obviously this one, the regular 14 Pro being a 6.1 inch display, the 14 Max is a 6.7 inch display. Both of the cameras are the same, 48 megapixel on both of them. The only difference is only the size. Looking at the rest of the box, we have pretty much the same things included, or the lack of things we have on both of them. The Lightning to USB-C cables, and we have our original paperwork and stickers and whatnot. And there is a slight difference in both of them. This is actually the first time that I've noticed that. Obviously, why wouldn't there be? So yeah, we have the sticker. Same thing over here as well. We have our stickers, the SIM ejector pin, and some regular paperwork. Quickly looking at the design, I did notice that the iPhone 14 is just a hair bigger than the 12 Pro that I have in hand. This is actually my everyday use that I was using up till now, and I did notice that it's just slightly higher. I mean, you can feel a little bit of a difference, but just maybe by a millimeter or so. So it's not really a huge difference. Nothing significant, just something that I did notice and I wanted to mention to you guys. Apart from that, the looking at the bezels, there is also a slight difference in the bezels with the 14 Pro and the 12. I'm actually going to do a comparison with the 13 Pro, which I have right after this video, so just stay tuned for that as well. We're going to look at the differences. We're also going to do a camera comparison, a detailed camera comparison between the two, so stay tuned for that. And so I was talking about the bezels. The bezels on the 14 Pro are just slightly thinner than the 13 and the 12 Pro as well. We do have the always on display this time, so you can see if I lock my phone, it goes into this dimmer, darker setting. As soon as I raise it, you can see that it immediately goes back up to the normal display. So that is a new feature that we have. Obviously, iOS 16 installed in both of them. So yeah, guys, just a quick unboxing video of the iPhone 14 Pro, regular and the Max version. Just got these right now, so kind of excited to see what they look like. And now I'm going to start doing some testing, some videos, some more things to bring you guys a little bit more of content. If you have any questions, if you have any videos in mind that you would like me to do with the iPhone 14, let me know and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and make those. So yeah, like the video if you enjoyed, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.